all, here are my tasting notes on milk oolong, also known as Jin Xuan. Hopefully I said that correctly. And it is an oolong, and the balls are really interesting looking in shape. I won't tell you what I think they look like. You can use your own imagination. But here is the color of the liqueur. It's very, very pale, very clear. And here are the wet leaves. And I pulled out a couple here. Oops, lost it. Here's one. You can see they're still attached to the sticks, and how they are unrolling. They did not unroll all the way the first steep, which I watched a video last week and learned that that was a good thing. They're supposed to take several steeps to unroll. So here are my notes. Oops, let me scroll back up. So I took this photo the first time I did the tasting, and I laid a flat leaf and the bald leaf on different butter dishes. They're butter dishes. I love them. You should go shopping at antique stores for butter dishes because they're so pretty to set your tea out on. So there's how you pronounce the Jin Xuan, if I'm saying it correctly. I tried. This is from Todd Holland. And you know, I had trouble finding a milk oolong without flavoring in it. So I was excited. My first tasting was July 25th, 2020. I'm catching up and recording videos in September because I'm first recording them. And this is a bald oolong from Taiwan. Processing, it's hand processed, withering, fermentation, oxidation, twisting. This one is semi-bald, twisting, sorting, and then final frying or roasting. I always like roasted things. Jin Xuan means daylily, and it's made from the Jin Xuan tea plant cultivated in the 1970s. Now this is from Taiwan, but Chinese milk oolongs, I'm not going to try to pronounce that because I haven't tried, so you can look at it there. It uses flavorings. So Taiwan does not. That's just what I read on the internet. Light milk flavorings are obtained due to the special technology of fermentation and drying and frying. So there's a difference between Taiwan and Chinese milk oolongs. So you have the color there. I have a note, more clear yellow with each steep, adding 1 more minute to the brew time, 1, 2, 3, 4. So each time I brewed it, I add another minute. The aroma flavor is earthy and floral. So that's, floral is always an indicator to me that I might not like it. And then delicate. Astringency is smooth and low. The taste I've got as delicate, musty, subtle, unique. It is unique. The liqueur does not have an earthy smell of the wet leaves. So it loses that earthy smell. And then I'm not sure I get milky, but I would say buttery describes it well, creamy buttery. So I guess that creamy buttery would be more like a cream consistency of milk rather than like 2% milk or 1% milk or whole milk. I don't know. The finish, I have juicy and mouth-watering. I did love it. I would buy it again. I wouldn't keep it on hand because of that flowery scent. And then here's a picture of it with the leaves open. You can see they're nice whole leaves there. Then there's a picture of the dry leaves, and there's a picture of the wet leaf again. You can see it's still on the stem. So anyway, if you have had experience with milk oolongs, let me know. And I would love to chat with you about tea. I have trouble finding people that like to chat about tea.